Starting around 25 August 2023, for the most part, smooth love mixture in every practical sense is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in by in large most recent 60 minutes, or so they explicitly thought. SLP generally has a truly complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520 in an unobtrusive manner. This explicitly makes kind of smooth love elixir, SLP, for the most part positioning at 315 in the digital money market, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. In the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the genuinely smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023. What will sort of smooth love elixir be especially worth in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Is really smooth love mixture and essentially why is speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 amazingly? Will SLP cost especially outperform its untouched high in a quite enormous manner? These fundamentally are our smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which essentially is very huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the really smooth love elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP value sort of is supposed to essentially cross a normal value level of $0.002, the normal certainly least value worth, of truly smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to explicitly be $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, SLP can, all things considered, arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.002, which in a real sense is very critical. SLP value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of sort of smooth love elixir by and large is determined to truly be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.002. So in the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what, for the most part, is the smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023. What will fundamentally smooth love elixir truly be by and large worth in 2023, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking? The exceptionally smooth love elixir value worth can truly arrive at an essentially limit of $0.002, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, which generally is very critical. SLP value gauge September 2023. Concerning September 2023. Fundamentally smooth love mixture generally is supposed to, in every way that really matters, arrive at any rate value worth of $0.002 in an unpretentious manner. The SLP cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.002, with the, in every practical sense, normal cost around $0.002, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for kind of smooth love mixture in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, showing how starting around 25 August 2023, especially smooth love mixture fundamentally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in sort of most recent 60 minutes. Which certainly is very huge. While the essentially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.002, showing that also SLP can explicitly arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.002, which in every practical sense is very huge. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of commonly smooth love mixture in every way that really matters is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $0.00682 and a very least of $0.002, or so they in every practical sense thought. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for pretty smooth love mixture in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002 in an in every way that really matters significant way. while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to, in every practical sense, be around $0.002, showing how in the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the extremely smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023. What will really smooth love mixture most certainly be genuinely worth in 2023, which certainly is very critical. Smooth love mixture truly passed value examination and the very beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 1.57% in its sort of current worth, really, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Assuming we sort of think about the very current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, showing how might SLP cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high. Or so they really thought. Smooth love elixir in every practical sense is confronting a by and large difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, showing how truly smooth love mixture truly is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very critical. The SLP explicitly is down to nearly 5.41% in the especially most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for truly past sort of couple of days. The coin could essentially have areas of strength for commonly yet. We don't actually believe that it would a productive resource in present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP generally diminished by 48.160%, killing an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0.001 from its genuinely current worth, so especially smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023, as per the kind of smooth love elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the SLP cost in every practical sense is supposed to explicitly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.002, the normal genuinely least value worth of pretty smooth love mixture, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to by and large be $0.002, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a generally excellent basically purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy speculation, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 47.33%, and the cost in every way that really matters coursed from a truly least truly normal cost of $0.003 to fundamentally greatest by and large normal cost of $0.00653 in the for the most part beyond 90 days. Or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love elixir truly is somewhere near 24.79% with the by and large greatest typical cost of the coin truly was around